This is not an ordinary window blind or window shade. It is the Serena shade by Lutron, and it's voice controlled and smartphone controlled. Alexa, turn work on.
Okay.
So with my voice, I'm able to use Amazon's control devices, Siri, and I can also use my phone and this little handy remote right over here. With this, I can control this blind going up and down and another blind on the other side of my home office. This is my favorite smart home upgrade of 2018, and it's something that I think is essential if you have a home office or if you really have trouble waking up in the morning, because you can also set these to a schedule. They're easy to install. It took me about 30 minutes and they installed just like any other window blind. And that's the really great part. There's no need to run power. They're powered by D batteries that are up in this section right here. You can't really even see that they're there. And I can control them in multiple ways. So I can use a remote, which is one thing I really like, because if I'm not here and someone else is in the house, they don't want to have to know the voice commands. They don't want to have app access. They want to be able to push a button and close them. That's the same reason I use Lutron light switches on most of the lights in my house, because you have that familiarity and it's easy for someone to control. Now, I like that I can use Amazon's Alexa, I like that I can use Siri, and I can even set an app schedule so that at night my Lutron switches will turn on the outside lights on the front of my house, and they'll also make sure that my blinds are closed, because I don't want to leave my office open to someone walking in between the house. Now, using the app or using presets on your remote, you can also set these to open to a certain degree. So here I'm going to have it open about halfway. You can have full access in the app to decide where you would like this blind to be open to, and you can slide it up and down. You can also make presets on the remote so that you can, with the push of one button, get this to exactly where you want it. Now, I chose a honeycomb style shade that lets in some light, because sometimes I like to leave this blind closed if my neighbor's working in between the houses, and I really want all that natural light to come in. You can choose a variety of other materials, other colors, and other light blocking. You can completely block out the light if that's what you want for that room. The only real catch to these Serena shades is the price. You're gonna spend about $350 minimum per window. These ones were a little bit more expensive because of the size of the window, and they're custom made, so you will have to wait a little bit for them to arrive, but you can measure, pick, and install all on your own. You don't need a professional for this. Pairing to the app was very easy. To get the connectivity options for voice and HomeKit and Siri, you will need the Cassetta Smart Bridge. I already had that because I used Lutron light switches. If you don't already have that, you're gonna need to purchase that as well. For the convenience, the simplicity, and the fact that it just works and it looks really great, the Serena shades are really my favorite smart home product that I've installed this year, and I've done a lot of different upgrades. You can check out more of our favorite smart home products at gottabemobile.com. I'll leave a link down in the description below. I'll also link to our full review of these window shades as well. You can find more about them at Serena Shades. Don't forget to leave us a like or comment, ask us any questions you want to know about these shades. And with that, Alexa, turn work off.
Okay.
Oh, by the way, you can click some new videos here and here.